Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remaining, Mane Oremi Jusmal, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, and this is morning opinion. Opinion. This is morning opinion. Opinion 9. And your original conductor still remaining, Mane Oremi Jusmal. So I'm live and direct on Dot Nation Channels TV, live and direct on Dot Nations Channel TV, live and direct on Emmanuel Remigius platform on Facebook. So share the program across many platforms. So yesterday, let us get down to the main topic. Yesterday, news broke out that the coordinator of ndị achịkọta ekwe ọnụ, the coordinator of ndị achịkọta ekwe ọnụ, nem Maazị Ikechukwu Ugwuoha was spied yesterday. Was spied, is it day before yesterday? Yeah, was spied day before yesterday. And I watched the criminal in Aba, the one lying that he is in Aba, crying, looking for sympathy. But let us go down to the main thing. All of them we are crying, tweeting, looking for sympathy. But let us go down to the main thing so that you know when all this nonsense started. All of you watching me could remember that after the kidnapping of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, most of the commanders following Mazen Nnamdi Kanu their names was mentioned on Radio Biafra. Their names was mentioned on Radio Biafra, and subsequently they were pied. And when they pie them, they go to Radio Biafra to jubilate. Hey, imagine the criminal called China Samoshi, nke na-apịata nwunye mmadụ ọkụ, was jubilating, saying, these are the people that I mentioned their names last week. Now, Nigerian government have pied them. So they were jubilating, circulating their ozu. And I have to tell you this, because I was saying this as at that time. I said, these people buying people's children that come to the struggle for Biafra, you buy them because of misunderstanding. You lie to people because I was an insider. I know everything. I know everything. Nobody will tell you that Emmanuel Oremi doesn't know this or doesn't know that. If anyone is telling you that, that person apparently was lying to you. I was an insider. I was telling people, don't listen to these people. They are lying on top of these people. And let me tell you, those people that you were buying then, jubilating, do you realize that they have children? They have brothers. They have nephews. They have maternal homes. They have even paternal homes. They will ask, how did this person buy? They will tell them. They will say, okay. They will say, okay, don't worry. No problem. We will get to that later on. They will say, don't worry, we will get to that later on. Then all hands will be on desk. They will be checking what happened to our loved ones. How did they buy? How will we stop this bastard act from occurring again? They will go and be checking. How can we stop this stupidity? And they will say, okay, this is how we can end this stupidity. They will come back. And when they come back, it is fire na fire, oh, fire na fire. And let me tell you, most of you who have run away from the POS, but you jubilated the buying of anybody, you are a culprit. Most of you people whom they use on social media to threaten our own people, you are a culprit. Posterity will never forget you. Those whom you hide one way or the other will keep on looking for you. Do you see the reason why buying of people is not good and it is not advisable? It is not good and not advisable that you jubilate the buying of other people. And let me tell you people, who is Mazi Ikechukwu Ugwuoha? Mazi Ikechukwu Ugwuoha was used in fingering those who does not buy the DOS crap. Now they are doing, oh, he was fired in the front of his children. What about the people that you people fired in the front of their children? And you said that their children will learn a lesson. You said to your own self that their children will learn a lesson. What about them? You commit too many atrocities. And you form as if you did not commit any. Now the criminal, the one that told you people that he's in Aba, was crying. He just on camera to show them that he is crying. But that same person is the one threatening other people that they will buy. The person crying that they buy the one of his distance was threatening other people that they will buy. Do you see how evil is not good? And let me tell all of you, if you saw your hand in the blood of the innocent as I am, nobody will say that I have soiled my hand in his blood. If you saw your hand in the blood of people, you are going to go for it. That is the law of karma. Go anywhere. Those who kill by the sword will die by the sword. That is the law of karma. So do you wish to change your behavior? Do you wish to change your behavior? Do you wish to fight for the freedom that people desire? You are on social media threatening people. And I have asked you people, those who sent you, Biafra is there to save the mankind, to save humanity, and not to use to threaten other people. Those whom you are threatening. For instance, as I am now, people love me all over the world. And if you threaten me, and people know you, that you threaten Emmanuel Oremijus, without my consent, they can come after you if they know you. Are you aware? Without Emmanuel Oremijus' consent, you are threatening me here. Without my consent, people who love me can come after you if they know you. Are you aware? That is one thing that you people don't know. Because once you go and social media is free, you use it to make a threat. I will buy you, I will do this, I will do that, I will end your life. I just look and laugh. Because even you, Abarandon Kegichenelu. So yesterday, the Nkana citizens of Zava, the one that went to campaign for P2B, now he is doing Biafra. I told you that it was DOS that was campaigning for P2B. Now you see not the same citizens of Zava who was praising P2B that is defending DOS, that is their love. I told you, the campaign for P2B was DOS that was doing it. They created fake accounts in order to propagate P2B. The citizens of Zava that was hailing P2B, cheering P2B, P2B is obedient. Is he not the same person that DOS are using? Defending Uchenwa Musu, Uchenwa Monke? Is it not? When I tell you something on this very platform, please open your ear. I am preaching truth to you. I am Emmanuel Oremijus, one of it very kind. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. That you doesn't know that I preach the truth doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. There was something that citizens of Zava posted yesterday, because I know that yesterday they will be in their WhatsApp group to be discussing on how to spill more blood. Well, like my prophecy said, all those people that died, our innocent brethren, will be on the run. All of you will contribute to, even there will be no hiding place for you people. Where are you going to run to? Where are you going to run to? There is no Biafran. You want to spill more bloods of innocents. The ones that you have spilled is not enough for you. Do you know what that fellow went and be asking yesterday? I just laugh. When these people make real tricks of ending people's life, I just look, when did we get to this level? To think that once you end people's life, those people that you end their life, or maybe that person, brother, or the family, or the nephew, or the paternal home, will not come after you. Or somebody that knows him and say, oh, I love this guy. You will not say, okay, let me know how he died, and they will table it. The person will be going from one quarter to the other. When the person tell you DOS, you say power, bim. DOS, you say power, bim. DOS power, bim. May we not get to that level because the enemies are facing us. I don't preach violence, but once I preach things, listen, I told all of you. Do you see all of you who jubilated the dying of other people? Pray. Anywhere that you are hiding, anywhere that you are hiding, in whichever hole, just pray. Nowhere is safe. I'm telling all of you. I want all of you, when you were jubilating on the blood of the innocent, I told you people, when did we get to this? When did we get too low that we will buy human life and then jubilate over buying of human life? Because of mere misunderstanding. The criminal China Samoshi that is telling you, these are government agents. His brother told me, Oremijus told me, the brother of China Samoshi, told me, his brother, his blood brother, told me that he became more surprised after the kidnapping of Mazen Namdekano that his brother have to come home with police and military escorts. That his brother living abroad, but it happens that he came back home during that time. And he saw him. They blow way, enter. He came out to see the person that came back. It was his brother. He told me that he was shocked to his bone marrow. Not at all. That military and police escorted his brother not a month after the kidnapping of our leader. And you people tell me that this fellow is innocent. He will be there telling you, there's a Nigerian agent. And what are you doing with police and military escorts? You are Ufurian agents. That is the reason why you are oofing our people. And those blind fellows will be hailing you. They will be hailing you. For what? For buying the innocent. For buying the innocent. How cheap can all of you be? Okay, even if it is somebody that paid you money to go and buy your own people, don't you reason? Don't you reason at all? If you finish buying your own people, who will defend you? Who will defend you? And there was something that I was saying. The citizens of Zava that observe nonsense, according to one commentator, he told him, the only thing that you can observe in this thing is you're observing nonsense. So the citizens of Zava yesterday posted the picture, the video of those, or picture, screenshot of those who we are doing referendum, and said the dwarf or the criminal in Finland told you people that much people are voting for the referendum. However, he doesn't want to show his face. Biafra people are wise. How can you not show the face of those who are voting? I said, okay, they are looking for people to buy. The other time, Benjamin tweeted to them, at this point in time, you must resolve the problem, in-house problem. There are a lot of them that they lied against. There are a lot of them that escaped assassination. Those who escaped assassination, they want to bring them. They are going back to them now because they felt that the stronghold of Master Simon Ekpa, that it is those people that are controlling it in Biafra land. Do you know what they do? They send message to them, you know what, come back, we are going to promote you. Come back, we have known that we wronged you. Come back, don't worry, we are going to promote you. Then, when you complain, do you know how you people disgrace me for doing nothing? They will say, oh yeah, don't be offended. Even me too, I was disgraced. But we need to come together under DOS. Which DOS? Can you tell them that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked DOS 2022? Can you tell them? Ordinary Aquila is organizing your people, telling your people DOS, DOS. Can you please tell them that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked these criminals since 2022? Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked them since 2022. And they are not telling them. And they want you to come down under the DOS. On which leadership? Did you people see the Ogbuano in Switzerland before you join? Go and look at the only thing that Ogbuano can bring to us is Igbu Mmadụ in Biafra land. And they are behaving as if they were penned. When you were killing people's children, you did not feel pity for spilling innocent blood, which is a crime against humanity. No pity at all. They did it in joy. They jubilated. They told themselves, we are going to do more. When you complain, they will tell you, if we catch you too. I was like, do these people know how law of revolution starts? They don't know how law of revolution starts. Please, those on Dot Nation's channel, you can subscribe. Subscribe to this very platform. They don't know how law of nature starts. Do you think that if you buy single person now, that it will not warrant another buying? Those who love the person will come. It doesn't matter how long it takes. That all of us are here now, for those leading you that are confused, telling you, what that person is going to cause of all of you run away in Alibo. Those of them, I told them when they started, all of you will run away for buying innocent people, for spilling innocent blood, which is crime against humanity. You are not supposed to spill blood. It's not freedom doesn't recognize that. After the kidnapping of Onyendu, your people move in full force, spilling the blood. I ask you people, do you know how law of revolution starts? Did you even know that we coming back to do Biafra was because of what happens to our forefathers or our fathers during the Aga of Ekromaka? Which many of you were not born then, but you heard the story. The story motivated you. You said, no, I can never be a slave. Don't you know that? Then, how will you think that the family of the person that you people are buying will feel? Some of them that their children are saying they buyed him in the front of his daughter. Your father ordered the buying of other people in the front of their children. I can count countlessly. It remained that one in Ladipo called Kingsley Anyebunam that is doing this thing in Ladipo. One of the notorious spying, even burying people alive. Obiana Hakoya. The atrocities that your people committed is innumerous. You are not shipped, you are not perturbed. You doesn't care about human life. What is evil? Biafra brought all of you to defend human life. Inside Biafra, you people are spilling the blood of your own people. And you think that it will not come back to you. Or when it comes to you, you will cry, then we will sympathize with you. What about the other people that you did to their family? You drag their wives on social media, you disgrace them. What can be more painful is that after which you kpaid somebody, you drag his children, you drag his wife. These people did it. I am sorry for those who died, but you are problem of your own self. I don't create life and I can't take any life. Me, I don't create life and I can't take any life. But you that died, how did you make the impact of telling those whom you are commanded, stop spilling innocent blood? How did you make the impact? You made no impact. You tried not. And innocent people were massacred. So how will those innocent people not come against you? You people doesn't know the law of karma. So Mazi Ikechukwu Ugwuoha's family should take heart. The same thing, King Sili Anyebunam must confess the dying of innocent people, which he did. And let me tell you how brutal that young man is. If he comes for you and he can't see you, he will wipe away your family. King Sili Anyebunam, the one in Ladipo, the one Onyobosi, King Sili Anyebunam. If he comes for you, he cannot find you. He will wipe away your family. Is that freedom? Is that freedom? These are the evil that you people are committing. Tomorrow, when they were threatening me that they are going to buy me, that they are going to do this, they are going to do that, I was looking at them. They said that they are going to end my family. And to be honest, I did not come to war with any family. Or Ishim. I was looking at them. Ishim Kamma. I know myself alone. Family or not family. Nwa na amụrụ amụ ya eto eto. Ọ bụrụ na oto ọghọ ole Chukwu shi wee chọọ ya. Today, what is happening? They are bringing cries on social media. Now, what the public is supposed to advise them, all of them, is that they must come and confess those whom they spill their own blood, because there are innocent people who join this very freedom that can't even hurt a fly. Inside this freedom, they were taught on how to fight for freedom, how to do this and that, and they learned it. At the end of the day, you use them and hide them. Don't you think how innocent that they were when they came? How innocent that they were when they came? They make them to look like demons, that they don't even value human life. Ena, Mazi Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. Hey! Mazi Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. Biafra Land National Coordinator. What is he national coordinating? Since the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where did we stop? What is he national coordinating? Even people, if you say, oh, I am following Simon Ekpa, they go again. There is one fellow that called Obinna, but I used to call him Emmanuel. He was spied. Do you know that guy's crime? Huh? I have talked about that fellow here. Do you know his crime? He went to hang flag. That fellow does not even carry gun, does not even know anything. Just the happiness of that time that Simon Ekpa said, let everybody go and hang flag that we will take over Biafra. The fellow, out of happiness, went to hang flag. Only flag, ordinary flag. These people said, okay, nah. These people buyed him. For what? Ordinary flag. They buyed him immediately. And how they buyed this young man was very, very brutal. They cut his ankle, cut everywhere. Watch him to bleed till you. Watch him to bleed till you. The same person in charge. This national coordinator, they were calling him then, and he said that the young man have joined the Simon. This Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. They called him. The wife cried. The wife of that guy cried because the wife was somehow, is it pregnant or having a little child? The wife cried like a baby. My husband doesn't know anything. Just ordinary flag. They said, why will he go and listen to the criminal in Finland? Today, people are crying that that man who have the blood of innocent people in his hands are buying. I do not support buying of anyone. Listen to me. But I will not stop asking people to defend themselves. If they come to buy you, my brother, defend yourself. Defend yourself. If they threaten you, defend yourself. Defend yourself. Because these people, they are vicious animals. They have turned freedom into buying. The butcher. No wonder their leader is Ogbuehi. Somebody that was killing cow in Switzerland, you brought the person to come and become leader. It's Biafra freedom. Yes, mba. Ikechukwu vunu slaughter kono. Ikechukwu ozesa yes ehi anu side ebe no ọ dị ka ya egbu ya. Yes sir. Ikwu ahokwu freedom ya lega anya nnọọ. Ọ dị nnọọ ka ị na-eme mmoo. Yes ike nwa mama ehi anu side ebe no obe karịa na biko gbuo ya. Onye na-egbu ehi. So how will that person give you freedom? Oh, you wete aka o ji egbu wee bata. Wee taba idunkaru sutu. Metura maka. Kumkum ikuzu ivunturama. Oh, you na-achazina na nke ikpeazụ a. Ọcha anụ ụmụ Biafra chacha nticha. Chaka mahadi. Oh, you ji wee bata na nke ikpeazụ a. Are you getting the point? Hope you are picking points. Some people say, why? Oh, this man, Ikechukwu Biafra Land National Coordinator, led by Onyene Achiehi. So if you talk about freedom, Ewerani Eji Achiehi na-elegi. Inebe mkpo. I will stop this very program. More. You people need to get up. And let me tell you why I am disturbed. As the leader of Ohanese, I would not love, though we sympathize, as the leader of Ohanese, we sympathize that one of our lost son died. And what can we say as a leader of Ohanese? Ozoemezina. And to start Ozoemezina, the people who have died, our people must come out and identify and apologize. This is how we do it in our legal. Cause so happy, man. If you have died our people, pick up your distance. Say, for example, the fellow that I called his name, I walked under him and did not buy anybody place. For example, you will come out and say, I am Kingsley Anyebunam. I have 5 people buried in the Igbo alive. But what I am saying is, you people should forgive me. Then the Biafra people, as my own, as the leader of Ohanese, that is my passage. All of you must pick up this thing and start apologizing. But you see this meeting you people had yesterday, that WhatsApp meeting of identifying people who is in autopilot, that thing is no go area. It will make all of you to finish. Because even in your midst, no trust. Some people in your midst are in supporting Master Simon Eda. They are in defense mission. How did I know that you hosted a meeting? And you were even shouting. Shouting. Identify them. Now you have last. You have fire to fire. Fire to fire. You are non-violence to Nigeria, but you are violence to your own people. Are you insane? Oh, we are non-violent, but you are violent to your own people. Oh no, that's a threat that you people are saying, identify them. The Nigerian terrorists are kidnapping and buying all of you. None of you. If you people pass on a pass like a monkey, they are buying all of you. Then you come on social media to threaten, identify them. It is fire to fire, buying. That thing that they are looking for, they will see it. But the Nigerian, this thing is rolling tanks in your land. You cannot confront them. Have you seen that some of you are mad? You don't know the reason you join freedom. And as I am, as the leader of Ohanese, I bring you warmly greetings from my end, and I will tell all my subjects. Life is very precious. If you know that you cannot create life, don't take life. And if you take life, people that you take their life will come after you. And it is not taking of life, it is avenge mission. For Peter and so Jesus, Jimma, very important. Jesus Peter Peter. Knowing fully well na Peter Jikwemma, Osia na ewachi ya dia, kedu ihe ejide mma eme. Ọ maka eruo nke ya agafe ihe a, be careful. Peter ga-emekwa mma gị, wee kwesoba ọhịa. What am I saying? I speak in parables. It is only those who can comprehend will understand. If you buy or spill blood anyhow, the law of karma will get hold of you. Stop spilling of blood. Alibo will be good when you desist from buying your own people. I remember DOS power, Nishumu Negi, DOS power, and then we Shumwibo, DOS power, Hana Chakashumibo. Just because of the money that you will make. Every 4 years, the politicians came and snatch a ballot box. We are doing DOS, power. What are we doing? Freedom. Freedom of who? Who have you given freedom? Who have you given freedom? Just mention the name of the person that you have given freedom. Unu nọ na-egbu ụmụnne unu. Chi love Chinwa. Aha gị yiri chinchonchi. Ana m ahụ bụ this particular fellow. O tekwena. Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. Thank you. Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. That is the name of the butcher. Hey, some people buy camera yesterday. But when he was busy identifying the people that they will buy, ordering for buy, una no cry come meet us. Una no cry come meet us. Resign from buying of anyone. It is not good. It is not good. Oshimini anaghị eri onye ọ na-ahụghị ụkwụ ya. Oshimini. You see Oshimini. You know they chop the person where you don't see him leg. Are you getting the point? Oshimini anaghị eri onye ọ na-ahụghị ụkwụ ya. Oshimini anaghị eri onye ọbụla ọ na-ahụghị ụkwụ ya. All of you must desist. Let me tell you, the person pushing you is not showing his face. So, tell him, a freedom fighter shows his face. He doesn't show his face. He hides at the back of Nokia at 310. You don't know who is your leader. You don't know who is Chena Samoshi. They told you, oh, Mazen Namdekano told him it is a pure lie. Okay, Mazen Namdekano sacked him since 2022. Have he tell you that he sacked him? Mazen Namdekano sacked your entire DOS since 2022. If I doubt all of you doing this nonsense should go to court and tell Mazen Namdekano you are DOS. Oh, we know why is Benjamin Madabunkata not going there? If he's this thing, he will only go and stand at the gates. Get out. Somebody calling Simon, that thing in Finland, ordinary a woman who la kayo gologo. You know every day by door na adonye ike. Every day chi horo nwoke ibe nna adi ike. O we go ihe bend that hand. Welie ya elu. Welikwe ya. Welie ya ọzọ. Welie ya. Oya na alọ ya. Ịkpafu. Ịhụzie nwoke ibe m. Ị na-ele ya anya n'otele. Otele nwoke ibe m ha hụla. Nwoke ibe m na-adọghị n'otele. Chineke nna mere m ebere. Stop buying our own people. Stop. Because all of you that they are pushing. You know one thing is that many of you don't take prophecy. You don't take it. You remember when I told you people that also yaba. Also bari who no yabazu. 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 Imagine also bari who no yabazu. You don't know where you are running to, and you don't even know what is pursuing you. Even if you know what is pursuing you, you don't know where that thing is pursuing you from. You see people, guess what is that? You see people running from there. You will be confused. You will be like Ufutu Papandu. Your going will be like a Paratu Sukundus. Do you wish your own self like that? Is that what you wish for your own self? If it is no, make a change now. From me from here, it is good morning. I am still your one and only Ohaneze, General President, Ayadehetu. I am the youngest Ohaneze General President. I have retired those Ndimpa that is going to Abuja to collect money. Aga na Abuja, ere ụmụ Igbo tọrọ, re ụmụ Igbo 1 naira. They collect money. I have retired all of them. They are no longer invoked and they can no longer exist. Anywhere that you see anybody telling you that he is Ohaneze leader, drag my attention to them and let me know who voted them. As of me, many people voted me into power here on this very platform. People that voted me into power are ignominious. They told me, oh, my able leader, keep on leading. And since I am leading, I have come to resolve too many issues that are bedeviling us, like Abuja using our people to buy our own people. And right now, you can see what is happening in Igbo. The thing that is happening, one of them is the buying of Ikechukwu Ugwuoha. Who is Ikechukwu Ugwuoha? Ikechukwu Ugwuoha is the National Coordinator of Butchers Association, that is DOS. And the leader of Ikechukwu Ugwuoha resides in Switzerland. And what is the occupation of his leader, Ibuano? So since he took over, Onelezi Omo Biafra as Ano from the DOS, but Biafra have leader, that is the Biafra Republic government in exile. But this group of criminals who call themselves DOS are saying we are the right channel. Right channel. Not that the Biafra people took them. They said, we are the right channel. Did Biafra people take you? No. When Biafrans say, oh, you are not, they will come after the person and buy the person. How divisive can they be? How criminal can they be? So Biafra people took another dimension of voting them out, and we have voted all of them out. And now we have a government. So for those of them thinking that buying us will deter us, it is a lie. And that is where I come to play. As the new leader of Ohaneze, I will tell you the truth and undiluted truth. You must stand in Biafra, because in Biafra our people died. In Biafra our people will resurrect. It is because of Biafra that they died our forefathers. And it is because of Biafra that we will restore the sovereign and dignity of the Biafra people. And we stand together to say never again. And that never again is now, not tomorrow. Never again. Long live the Republic of Biafra. Long live the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile, His Excellency, Honorable Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Supreme Leader, Ọhamadike ndị Igbo. Ikuku a na-ahụ anya, Chukwu anyị na-ahụ anya, nke a na-akọrọ m na Jizọs bịara nwụọ mgbe nwanne ama. Ọkwa nge nwa na-akpa go ịkọbakọcha ọkwa na-akpa gị. Jizọs m na-ahụkwa anya bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Amakwa m ihe unu na-akọ. And everybody, I respect your own belief, but don't intrude into my own belief. This is my own belief, because some of you Christians, you love telling people, oh, don't say that again. Na age, if you come to tell me don't say that again, what you will get, you may not like it. If you are worshiping anything na age, allow me to do my own. You people intrude into people's privacy, but you hate people to intrude into your own privacy. You will say, oh, he abused my belief. he abused my religion. He bido lụtabara Chineke gị. But once you intrude into my own privacy, I keep quiet. That thing will never happen again. So, Chukwu anyị na-ahụ anya, I salute you, bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And I have to say, Chineke kpọọ ndị niile rere ya ọkụ ise, mmụọ aja anị, ekwensu, amadioha, mmụọ anị, tụpụtaba ndị niile rere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ise, aja anị, bụọ ndị niile rere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ ise, aja anị, tụpụtaba ndị niile chọrọ rara nwa nke mmadụ nye ka ọ nwụọ n'aka ọnwụ ise. Biafra ya dị ka echi, maka echi ahụ agwụ agwụ. And from me from here, as the new leader of Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo, asị m na ije anyị abụ ije mmiri o. Mmiri ata na ma azụ anwụ na iyi ahụ eri ọba. Ọya bara anyị na Eke, bara anyị n'Orie, bara anyị n'Afọ, bara anyị na Nkwọ. Ọ chọrọ anyị ọnwụ ya eji ala zere mmiri. Onye ọbụla sị na isi anyị na-awa aja, onye agwọ ya laa n'isi ya. Ọ bụrụ na isi ya bụ isi na-ebe ogidi, ya laa n'isi ihe akwa akwa, ihe enwe enwe ya. Onye sị achakata wee dị ya mma, sịsị chịkara wee onye a ka ọ hụ ka ọ na-atọ n'ahụ. Ọ ya dịrị anyị mma na Eke, dịrị anyị mma n'Orie, dịrị anyị mma na Afọ, dịrị anyị mma na Nkwọ. Ahịa na-anọ, ụbọ na-anọ. Ise, ise, ise. Long live Biafra. Long live Biafra. Ọya ụmụ Igbo, udo dịrị unu.